Pere ruins his relationship with Maria, and Kayvee runs mad in the big brother's house. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is always good to have you here as we go into deep dive and analysis of the Big Brother Season 6 2021 edition. And y'all remember the last night 2 contestants were evicted, and that was Arin and Princess. Now, of course, these 2 said they were not surprised and that they're okay with the experience and are grateful for the time they had in the house. Housemates are calling for help for one of the new housemates, Kayvee. It is believed that he has lost it, he has lost his mind or run mad, and that he needs a quick attention from a psychiatrist. Now, all this happened when they were in the room having a conversation with Michael, Sasuke, and a few other housemates. And then Kayvee was asked a question, and from what he was saying, it is a clear notice, a clear indication that he was talking out of point, out of place, and he was just scratching his head. And now that was a point of concern, as even JMK was talking to White Money when she revealed that Kayvee was on bed sleeping, and then all of a sudden he jumped out and was shouting, and then from there he just went out into one of the places, locations.
In both ways, when I'm saying something, I say in both ways. I mean, like, because it might be true and it might be a lie.
After shouting and jumping out of bed, GMK further revealed that he went to a location within the Biggies' house and then was acting weird. Then he was seen in the garden where he was lying down, and I think Sega and Niyi were having a conversation. He would look at them weird and be quiet, and in turn, I was looking into space. He was lost in either thought or confusion, and no one knows. As White Money was talking to Liquor Rose and Emmanuel and saying that this is no more funny. It's either that he has lost his mind or something, or maybe it's just a plot. But on the other hand, Liquor Rose was saying that it's all cruise. It's like a plot to cause a little drama in the house. But this needs to be taken seriously.
Funny. It's really getting weird. I don't know if he's playing the prank or the man did not has actually.
It's cruise.
Eh?
It's cruise.
Wait, let me go up and see.
Further, this morning, it could be seen that some other housemates, Emmanuel, Niyi, and a few other housemates were trying to talk to Kayvee, and he was not in their midst. Like, I mean, his attention was not there. They were in front of him, but he was like nodding and singing to the music as though he was mad, as though something has taken away his consciousness into the now. Like, literally, this is so scary, as even housemates are calling Biggie to really take a close look at Kayvee before this goes out of hand. But I just believe that if Big Brother is still delaying till this point, then maybe this was something that was planned between. Of course, Ebuka broke tables as he made sure to sink one of the ships that almost sailed. And of course, it is even not surprising that it is a ship between Maria and Pere. Ebuka revealed last night that there were a lot of drama and conversations that happened in the house, and while he was referring to Pere, he said,
"You had a lot going on, so many conversations we had, including you even trying to remove your deputy."
We all knew that this was going to cause commotion, and by the time the eviction show was done, when Maria and Pere went into the head of house lounge, you could see that she confronted him and she was disappointed. And of course, basically, she stated that it was done and there was no reconciliation to this particular issue.
You were the one who was bringing all of that up because you felt that I was trying to get close to Queen.
I'm actually done with this conversation.
We believe that with all the craziness, the tyrannical and the dictatorship that Pere went through as being the head of house, for putting the housemates to so much stress, especially when it comes to food. he will be the most nominated for eviction this week. That is no stress. Like, nobody can contend that one. He will be the most nominated for eviction. The only thing he would be lucky with is the fact that he has dogged and stubborn fans who would really vote him. But if Nigerians don't feel that he deserves to be there, if people around Africa, Pere is guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you for being here. And if you loved this amazing beauty, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to like this video, share comments down below, and also share this video. I'll see you on the next one.